Alright, time for homework 2. Okay, on 1 and 2, you're graphing inequalities. Let's do this first one in red. It has a y-intercept of positive 4, so put a point there at positive 4. It has a slope of negative 1/4, so go down 1 as you go right 4 to get another point. Or you can go up 1, left 4 to get another point. Okay, now you know where your line's going to go. Look at your inequality. It is less than, but not equal to. So you're going to have a dashed line here. Oh, that's not very good dashed. It's good there. Now it's more dash-like, which is important. Okay, so now we got it dashed. Once again, it's less than, so we will shade below this line, like so. Yay! And we're going to shift over to blue, because, it's nice to have multiple colors. This has a y-intercept of -3, so go to -3, put a point there. Alright, it has a slope of 5/2, so go up 5 as you go right 2. Okay, that's going to put you right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2. Okay, now we know where our line's going to go. It is greater than, but not equal to, so once again, we're going to go with the dashed line. Dashed, dashed. Okay, and it says greater than, so you will shade above the line. That's this away. So shade your line that away. And make sure you kind of make the double shaded region a little bit darker to show that that's where these solutions are. Let's jump over to number 2. Let's do this first one in red again. But before we can graph it, we got to solve it for y. So this one, you got to subtract the 12x from both sides because you're trying to get y by itself. So we're at 6y is less than 36. 6 minus 12x. Okay, you have to get y by itself once again. So remember, divide by the 6. You're solving for y. Since we divided by a positive, we don't change the direction of our inequality. Just leave it as y is less than. 36 divided by 6 is 6. And 12x divided by 6 is 2x. And we got our first inequality ready to go. Let's get the other one ready. So this bottom one, you have to get y by itself. So subtract x from both sides to get -5y is greater than or equal to 10 minus x. You got to get y by itself, so divide by that -5. Divide by -5. Whenever you divide by negative, you switch the direction of your inequality. So it's going to be less than or equal to. And you got to do each of the parts divided by -5. So 10 divided by -5 gives you -2. And then -x divided by -5 is going to give you positive 1/5 x. Okay? So now they're both ready to be graphed, ready to go. Let's do the red one first on this graph here. It has a y-intercept of 6. So go 6, put a dot there. It has a slope of -2. So go down 2 as you go right 1. Sorry, oh, that was off. Down 2 as you go right 1. Down 2 as you go right 1. Okay, now you know where your line's going to go. It is simply less than and not equal to, so we got to do a dashed line that goes through our points there. And it is less than, like I said, and so we're going to shade the side that is below the line. Okay, jump over to blue. Let's get blue done. It has a y-intercept of -2, so we're going to take -2, put a point there. It has a slope of 1/5, so you're going to go up 1 as you go right 5. Put a point there, up 1 as you go right 5. Yeah, another point, or you can go down 1 as you go left 5. Okay, now we know where our line's going to go. It is less than or equal to, so you can do the solid line because it's got the equal to part with it. And you got your line like so. Like I said, it's less than, so you would shade below your line, like a so, and kind of make this region a little bit darker because it got double shaded, and that's where the answers are. And there's 1 and 2.